Guys, welcome back. I messed up that last video. This is part 3 to Evie making albondigas with Princess Lena. I was being too loud on the last video, but it went for 15 minutes. This is a new video we just started, and QueenE has hot stuff on her with the meatballs, aka albondigas. Over here she has her stock or broth, whatever you like to call it, cooking up. It's got all kinds of good stuff in it. Well, I described all the stuff that it has in it in the last video. Hey, ladies. So can I put the camera here, guys?
Yeah.
Where? Right there? Facing that way or facing forward? For now, I'm just going to face it that way. Actually, I just want to see one thing real quick. Never mind. Go ahead. Why would I do that? Because it looks so beautiful. I want to drum on it.
This is for salad. Because, like, you wash out the lettuce and you go this, and then, like, to serve it, you just go like that, and then there's, like, these little metal
The rice got so mushy in it. Look at that. Should I take that rice out?
No.
Or throw it in?
Yeah,
Maybe I should
Oh,
just take it out.
Lord.
It's too mushy.
a little bit. No, it's fine. Throw it in there.
I'll take some of it out.
Okay, take some of it out, yeah.
Yeah, because, well,
It's
it's
so
rice.
good,
Yeah.
though. It's just rice. Like, caldo with rice. That's
Yeah,
not...
that's what I was saying. Like, it's like a caldo.
Damn, we don't have no limes, huh? That's
Oh
going to be
my
so good with
God.
some limes.
Let's
We
run to the store.
don't. You want to go to Albertsons?
You?
I can't drive.
You drove before.
I'm not supposed to.
I know, but you...
What you guys think? Does that look like the hacktivist?
That's not the hacktivist.
Huh?
That does not look like any type of hacktivist.
Being negative, Nancy.
I know, huh? Negative Nina.
My toe hurts, and...
We call her Nina the Negatron.
Ugh, that word.
I'm sorry.
Word stemmed from just
This is your first.
gave me a weird feeling in the pit of my stomach.
Made you want to vomit.
Yeah.
You know who you are, a hater.
Yeah.
My toe hurts.
You know who you are, bitch. Sorry.
Damn, you know what? We got stalkers, guys. We do. It's weird. Like, we have fans, and we love you guys, but we also have stalkers. It's funny. People who watch us, but not watch us like to be our fans, or...
You know, they watch to
We have one fan that's a little creepy.
be haters.
Well, I love all
Or
our
see
fans.
what we're up to.
Yeah, that kind of stuff. Or it's people that like really kind of don't even like our
Like, they
existence,
don't dig us. They don't.
Uh-huh.
They don't fucks with us.
and then but they are very, very, very in tune to what's going on our channel and on all our social media pages. It's weird. So you know who you are, stalkers. Hi, we love you. Keep watching, stalker. What I do?
Never mind.
Don't fuck with the stalkers?
No.
Sorry. I'll leave your stalker friends alone.
My meatball fell apart. You think that's good? Should I throw it in there?
I want to taste that.
First taste it.
Ow!
I bet you it tastes good.
Oh my god, yeah. That shit is bucket bomb.
It's just so fucking
Yeah?
good.
I should throw it in there?
Hell yeah, don't waste that. I would eat that by itself.
Yeah.
Mom, you need to try out some more water.
No, I think it's perfect just like this.
This is so good. There it is, guys. That's the albondigas, right, Queen?
Done?
Yeah, I think it's about done.
What else do you need to do to it?
Oh, actually, did we even season the
You don't need to
vegetables?
season
Oh,
nothing,
no,
right?
you
Oh, look, just taste the broth.
No, we need to season the veg.
Yeah, I don't think I seasoned.
Oh, yeah, you did.
Yeah, we
Yeah,
did.
you did. Okay, let me try that.
Maybe a little bit more salt. Yeah.
Does need salt. Sorry.
Okay.
Negative, Martin.
Have I focused too much?
I'm not negative. I'm honest.
Stretchy pants?
That's why I like it.
I'll always give her my straight up, honest opinion, even if I think she won't. But Evie knows me. She could take my constructive criticism fine. I'm not a person that criticizes just for my kicks. Nina, on the other hand, she wants you to fuck up because it makes her feel smarter.
Feel like an intelligent ass person.
Yeah, like when you fuck up, Nina feels like, oh, that's a dumb person and I'm smarter than them.
No.
Yeah, you do. You get off on it.
Different.
You get off on people messing up.
I only do it
My
for
mom
you.
does too. God forbid you ever
Yeah.
make a mistake by saying the wrong word in front of my mom.
I've seen you.
Oh dear God, she'll laugh for hours like if something, the funniest thing in the world just happened.
Grandma's done that.
And especially if she doesn't like you or she can't stand you at the moment, she'll even do it even more like it's like that just so that you could get all pissed off.
Sometimes Grandma would just do it because
I'm the kind of person that I don't like to be laughed at unless I'm intentionally being funny or trying to be funny. Like, let's say, for example, okay,
Yeah.
I don't like people laughing at my expense.
That's too hot, baby.
No, you're very sensitive.
I'm very sensitive. I'm a crybaby. I'm gonna get a tattoo that says crybaby on my face.
Yeah, you are. There's already a girl that has.
How can I not be sensitive when people talk so much
There's
shit?
already a girl that has a tattoo like that.
It says crybaby on her
name is-
forehead?
No, like she has like on her arms and stuff.
I'm gonna put one that
And I
says
think she has
There's one that
teardrops.
says
La
tattoo.
Llorona, güey.
I think she has like teardrops, blue teardrops. Her name is Melanie Martinez, and she sings that song.
That's the
that
girl.
Cry, baby, cry, baby.
Oh, that's why she has a tattoo, because she's a crybaby.
Okay, I think this is about to be done. Oh my god, I'm so excited.
She hasn't written a song in a
There
long
used to be a
time.
guy that had the crybaby too, right here on his eye. R.I.P. Little Pete. R.I.P. XXX Tentacion.
I like
Damn,
the sex
everybody's
song.
dying, dog. You know what's sad? I started listening to Little Peep songs. I'm really into like awful things and save that shit and all that. And I started bumping them, you know what I mean? I'm like, oh shit, this little dude gets down or
And
whatever.
then he listens
Then,
to it.
shut up, I'm telling the story. Could you please? Damn. Anyways, rude, right? That's what I'm saying. Comment below if you think she's rude. Okay, anyway, hey.
Behave, Nina.
And then, as I was saying, then I'm listening to Power Glide by,
Ray
What it-
Shrummer.
drummers here, Ray Sherman
Yeah.
and Juicy J. Juicy J, in his thing, he says, R.I.P. Little Peep, gotta stay away from them Zans. And I froze. I'm like, say what? Say
And
what?
then you searched it up.
And then I Googled it real quick, and yeah, it turns out, like, I was like, damn, this dude is doing it. And he's doing it. That's exactly what happened with that
But
XXX
he's been
Tentacion.
dead for a while. That song
He's
came
been
out
dead
of...
since 2017.
Yeah.
I just hadn't heard him yet. It took me a while to get to him.
Yeah, he's been dead since last year.
Yeah, last year everybody listened to fucking Tekashi.
Dad, you know what? You know I make fun of you so much?
Because you'd like to talk shit.
Because I love you.
Only because I love you so much.
You know how you call
Okay,
me,
ready?
like, when you call me something and
Look
you're
at
like,
this
it's a term
yummy
of endearment.
deliciousness. Look at
Mhm.
these
It's a
balls.
term of endearment.
Look at this. My meatballs, and it has some rice at the bottom.
Dude, this is... To get your hands out of there, nasty.
There's some calabacitas. There's some celery, some
Imagine-
carrots,
Oh my
some
God.
Someone
potatoes.
pushes you when you drop the camera and that's it.
Delicious, delicious. Look at my meatballs. They're so perfect. Beautiful balls.
They're not, yeah.
Those are some beautiful balls, to be honest.
Sure are.
That one looked like a heart.
My
Like,
potatoes are kind of
they're
getting
almost
mushy
like
already.
uniform, you know what I mean? Like, very uniform. That's crazy.
We gotta eat already because it's getting
Oh, it's
mushy.
time to eat. I suggest you eat them with some corn tortillas and some limes. We don't have limes and I can't drive, so I'm just gonna eat mine with hot sauce.
It tastes
And
good
some
just
salt
like this.
crackers. It tastes good just like that, yeah. I don't want to drive. We live like 5 minutes away from the Albertsons, but me no driving.
Okay, ready?
It's bad enough I already got convicted for TUI.
Tortillas.
Oh my god.
Why do you say, oh my god? What does it mean?
Texting under the influence.
Typing pensativa.
It's the same thing.
Texting under the influence, typing under the influence. We're gonna make it a song, honey. No.
No, we're not.
Well, I'm gonna make it a song.
You always have song ideas and they're always saying bad words.
Don't worry about my songs, fool.
Okay, ready?
We are
When I make that one song, that's when you're gonna say like,
Did
damn.
you see my nails?
Hey, can you move out of my way?
I don't think your nails are as cool as my nails.
I will slap you.
Look at my nails, dog.
Well, because I did.
And then I got this other side too. Look.
One of them is already messed up, though. Two of them already messed
Cuper, fam. Ah.
up. I did them, though, so.
Yeah, dog.
Look at.
We are artistes.
Look at this one.
This
has-
family, we always gotta be painting or drawing something. Look, see? All the time.
Those are my awards. What are you talking about?
I'm looking for drawings. Can you get away from me?
Those are all of my awards.
You're messing up my
Those
video.
are all of my awards.
See when nobody likes you?
Caleb
Tell her, guys.
has one
Could you comment below that she's being annoying? Thank
Look
you.
at how many awards I have. 1, 2, 3.
What a little show off. Oh, you're very
4,
humble.
5, 6, 7. I have another one. 8.
Ready?
Oh, look. This one is her favorite. You know why? Because
10.
Donald Trump signed it. Ah! Oh, that's not the one with Donald Trump, huh? Where is that one? Oh, she's got one with her favorite president in the world. I don't think we hung that one up because he signed it, huh?
He signed it?
Yeah, Donald Trump signed one of your
No
awards.
freaking way.
No, thank you.
Where is it?
I don't
didn't know
know.
he signed it.
Yeah,
Oh,
you have an
fuck.
award signed by Donald Trump.
That
I'm
sucks.
trying to find the rice, but I can't find it.
It's gonna be down here. Look.
At the bottom. There, mira.
What are we
But it's
watching?
Melting already. Like the potatoes are getting really soft too.
It's in the.
Wait, just pour that in there. This one's for you.
Is that one mine?
No, this is Dad's.
Mine, Jesus.
It's just potatoes. I'm not getting rice.
The potatoes are getting kind of soggy.
Oh man, I forgot we were still filming, and then I just started like
sorry.
holding it all down.
Thank you guys.
Can you
for
end this?
watching.
Okay, guys, I'm about to eat.
Look at
This
this
looks
deliciousness.
bomb,
We're
diggity,
about to
pashiggity,
eat.
diggity. Get away from my plate,
There's a
bro.
glitter in there. I'm trying to make
Glitter?
I like glitter. Okay, guys, much love.
Here, Nina.
Oh, and peace. Well, pal.
Thank you guys for watching my long ass video. Sorry. I like to cook and it takes a long time, but I like it. So thank you guys for watching. Stick around for the next one. Cooking with QueenE. That's
Hit
gonna
us
be
up
our
on-
segment.
On the book and on the gram.
Here, grab
Much
your
love.
soup.
Peace.
Oh wait, I forgot.